guys? Thanks for joining us. This is Steve from Card Breaking L getting ready for SPX release day. 10-box case. You're looking at the 20-box master case here, so we're going to break this open and spin our new dice we got. We're going to do that. So here's your teams for the break. This was a early bird random. So the next two SPX breaks we got posted is I'll pick your team. We got David with Carolina, Francisco with Toronto, a first break or second break with us. Welcome aboard. Michael is Winnipeg, Randy is Calgary, Nathan, St. Louis, Shane, Montreal, Francesco is Edmonton, Ronnie, Chicago, Crystal Islanders, Mark, New Jersey, Terry, Ottawa, Adam is Dallas, Isaiah, Philly, Cameron, San Jose, Steven is, one second now. Steven is Minnesota, David is down there in Nashville, I cut off the list by accident. Chris, Vancouver, Mark, Buffalo, Isaiah, Anaheim, Chad, Boston, Joey, Arizona, Travis, Seattle, Aaron, Tampa Bay, Blake, Vegas, Chris, Detroit, Brenda, Columbus, Christopher is Pittsburgh, Francesco, Rangers, Washington, Kyle, LA, Terry, Mark, Florida, and Paul is Colorado. So there's your teams. Let's get down to business. You guys get your one-on-one guesses in. If we find a one-on-one in this product, in this break right now, and you guess it in the comments, $100 to spend that Card Breaking L. Shoot. All right, let's do it. So we're going to do the left side with a 1, 2, 3 on the dice roll, 4, 5, 6 on the right side. So 1, 2, 3, we'll do this. 4, 5, 6 right here. We got a 6. 4, 5, 6 will be this side over here. Mark Stone on the cover. I bet you Mark Stone hasn't been on a hockey product in a while. Probably since his rookie year. We'll go 2 at a time. 10 boxes total. Get your one-on-one guesses in while you can. Lots more of this stuff coming tonight. 2 pick your team breaks. I think there's 2 teams left in one and 3 left in the other. Something like along those lines. So we'll get that full. And going to post some more too. Like I said, 3100 is coming up tonight too. Pretty big price tag. We'll be running some minis for that. And then we're going to be posting some half cases of this stuff. 5-box cases. We'll do $30 randoms. That is the plan. All right, first 2. Feels like a thick pack right off the hop. I know last year the way it went was every pack was one card. If you're lucky enough to get a pack with 2 cards, it was always a banger. Here's number 399. Infinite. Looked nicer than last year. 198 at 399. Infinite rookie. Seagrass. $3.99. Guaranteed 1 autograph per box. Here's winning materials for the Tampa Bay Lightning. Andre V. That design got some old school SPX feels to it. That's what SPX's jersey cutouts always used to look like back before they changed the format. Tampa Bay, apologize for the glare. The daytime breaks are always a little rough because the wind, so many windows in this place. We got an autograph, Morgan Barron, rookie autograph. New York Rangers, 375. 244, 375, rookie autograph jersey. A thin card. Here's your first autograph of the break. They're not as thick as I thought. No, that one's not thick at all. That one's about, I'd say it's a little bit less than 100 point. But it fits into a 100 point top load and nice. I'd say it's probably maybe 75-ish. Thinner than I've seen them. And we got a 2-hit pack. Okay. Don't make me a liar here. We got 323 at 399. Obsidian jersey rookie Kalen Addison for the Minnesota Wild. And double hit pack, but no big hit, so they did make me a liar. 283 at 399. Infinite rookie Jan Jenik for the Yotes. Was expecting a big one there that time for a sec. Box 1. Svechnikov, SPX jersey. So like I mentioned, Upper Deck Black is in SPX now. Upper Deck Black was a product they made a few years. I think it was like 09, 08, 09, 09, 10, and then they done it for McDavid's year and then Matthews' year. Always a super popular product. If you ask any collector, Black is always a great product. But they took it out of circulation and put it into this one. Autograph. Colorado Avalanche, Devin Taves. Colorado. Thin pack here. Radiance FX rookie. Rough corner on this one, man. Boston Bruins 91 of 150. Rough corner down the bottom right corner. Boston, whoever Boston is, reach out to me. I'll grab you the code off that box. Get a replacement started if you're interested. And this is a thick one. Must be a shadow box. Nope. It is Mo Seider, 199 green infinite rookie. Yeah, it's nice. Something different. Reminds me of Dominion. This logo here reminds me of the Dominion, Panini Dominion. 130 and 199. Sharp looking card for Detroit. Box 2 in the books. Got to be paying attention here for the autographs because we're getting our Guess the Ink promotion started this weekend. I got the prizes already decided, just waiting for something to be finished up, and we're getting started with it. So if you're not familiar with our Guess the Ink promotion, pretty much every break we run now for the next little while until the promotion's over. We need 5 winners for the promotion to finish, and all you got to do is grab a spot in any break, whether it's $20 or $100, whatever break it is. You guess the first autograph of that break, and you win yourself a prize. Prizes this year are 100 times better than last year. I say that every time, but I mean it. I mean it. We just finished doing 12 Days of Christmas not long ago, but these prizes almost put those ones to shame too. We got Cole Sillinger, 21 of 65, jersey rookie autograph Spectrum. Yeah, the prizes should be announced hopefully today, tomorrow, sometime very soon, but we're going to be starting the first break of it the weekend. Thick pack. Matthias Samuelsson. 73 at 399. I think there's going to be a lot of thick packs in these ones.
Seems like one of those in the box.
Yeah. I like the fillers. Another Radiance. Miro Heiskanen to 50. Dallas Stars. These are a different kind of material too. They're a lot more sturdy. There's like a acetate, but like a heavy material to it too. Dallas Stars. Cole Caulfield, rookie jersey. Rookie jersey, Montreal Canadiens. I owe you, he says. I owe you nothing. Come on. We got an autographed Shadowbox Cole Lynn, sharp looking card for Seattle. Shadowbox rookie auto, Cole Lynn. 105 of 175. Cool. Seattle. Love to see Seattle nowadays. Ottawa Obsidian rookie. He's looking nice this year. Shane Pinto, 93 of 349. Look at that rough corner up there too, man. Jesus. 93 of 349. Pinto rookie.
Some of the 30s.
Pack of 100s if you don't want. Radiance, Bernard Docker, Ottawa Senators. Ottawa got quite a few rookies in the checklist for this year's stuff. Bernard Docker. I'm using more 100-point top loaders than I thought. Last couple of years, SPX was a lot of top loaders. This year, a little bit different. Speaking of thick, we got a thick patch. Ryan O'Reilly, number to 49. Looks like maybe a fight strap. Good, thanks. St. Louis Blues, 30, 49. That is the next two. So early bird break, early look at this. This video is going up on YouTube, so everyone can check out the new SPX for themselves. And we're going to be in store all day. You'll see me posting some minis and posting some other things throughout the day. We got breaks 8 o'clock, 8:30, 9 o'clock tonight. And I believe the big break's going at 10, 10:30 if it's full tonight. I think there's 14 spots left. Let's go. It's a big lineup. Rookie Superscript. These look nice this year too. Rookie Superscript. I like it. For the Yotes. Shadowbox, Jordan Binghamton. Blues. Shane Pinto, more Ottawa. Radiance rookie. Nothing massive here yet, but we're getting a good look at the product. Quentin Byfield, SPX rookie jersey. SPX used to have a different format altogether. Like, I think the first year they changed it was Matthews' year, because McDavid's year was different. I think there was like 8 packs in a box, maybe more. You get an autograph per. And then for Matthews' year, they changed it. One card a box, or one card a pack like you see now. Spencer Knight, Shadowbox, rookie, Spencer Knight, Florida. Rookie jersey, St. Louis. I'm opening a fresh case for the store. So that other case that's sitting there over by my feet right now, we'll be breaking that later. Those 2 half cases that I was talking about, those will be from that one. The 2 pick your team cases tonight that are filling up, though, that'll be from the same master case. More Seattle, interesting. Grubauer. So yeah, the other side of this case will be the two half cases that aren't posted yet. There'll be 2 randoms, $30 a spot. That's 5 boxes. And last one here, Obsidian rookie for Cam York. Philly.
I like the blue they got in the background this year.
Yeah, that's cool. I wonder if the different numbering's got different colors. That'd be cool. That would be nice. Early breaks, love it. We're looking for a case hit here somewhere. Hoping. Morgan Barron again. Lustrous rookies are thin this year. $2.99. Thin cards. Usually lustrous inks are thick. This one's 100 point. That'll fit in the 100 point top loaders. What's that? Yeah, true. That is true. That's probably why they cut it down. Sampo Renta, 21 to 2.99. Man, I'm telling you, that reminds me of Dominion so much. Panini Dominion. Yeah, it's gold color, but it's not the gold number. $2.99. We got 3 boxes left after these 2 packs. Swayman. Radiance rookie. Boston. Mo Sider. Detroit Red Wings. Radiance FX rookie to 25. Lundell. Florida. Low number. Nice looking card. Lots of 100 point cards. That's the thing that's standing out to me the most. SPX was always thick cards, every pack. Here's Gustafson. Not that it really matters. Ottawa Senators. Come on, turn that down just a little bit. Jacob Bryson. Rookie autograph jersey. Buffalo Sabres. $3.75. Last pack here before we tackle the last 2. We got Robertson, Dallas Stars, $2.99. Last call for a few hits. 8 cards left. Mail is going out right now. As soon as this break's over, I'm taking off to the post office. All the last week's worth of breaks going out. Eight hits left. Let's get it. John Tavares, SPX Signatures, Toronto Maple Leafs. Cool. Nice looking card. $3.49 Mo Sider. Detroit Red Wings, Obsidian rookie. Alex Newhook, Radiance, rookie, no numbering, Colorado. These might be a nice little rainbow to put together. Sturdy cards. Jack Hughes, New Jersey Devils. Oh, we're running out of time here, man. 1 box left. Nicest card yet. I'm not even sure what it really was. Maybe the Shadow Box rookie? Shadow Box rookie autograph. Here's Pod Colson, Vancouver. Morgan Barron. This dude's been following us around, not just this break, but all year. 2 left. One of them should be autographed. It's the next one. Cooch. Tampa Bay Lightning. We're down to one last card. More of this coming tonight. Another break or two posting. And another couple pick your teams that's filling up. Nice. We got an autograph. Boom! Austin Matthews. Nice. Matthews and Tavares. There you go. Waiting for the nicest hit of the break to the last pack. Mom grabbed me a 1 touch for that? 100 point 1 touch? 100 point. Oh, over there on the shelf behind the register. Nice card. That's Francesco. Hopefully I'm saying your name right, man. Congrats. Nice hit. Had Edmonton and Toronto. Hope was due for a nice hit for sure with Toronto and Edmonton. Congrats. Nice hit to end it. Tavares and Matthews. Same set. Back-to-back boxes. Good stuff. We're going to get that in 1 touch for you here now. And that's it. Congrats to the hitters, guys. We'll get some pictures up. We'll get this video up on YouTube for all the collectors to check it out. For anybody who is thinking about maybe busting the box today and not sure and wanted to check it out, we're going to throw it up on YouTube. That's it for now. We'll check it out later. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget, go big or go home. Peace.